Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Mayan bronze leather case. Now you can buy this from Zora.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $130. So this is the real deal right here. Now this case is available for all of the Samsung phones, all of your iPhones, and all of your LG phones. Now for this video, I'm going to show you the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus version. Now on a side note, let me read this from the website real quick, just so you get an idea of how dope this case really is. The Mayan bronze leather case is painstakingly 100% handmade to order by skilled craftsmen, with every single case being carefully dyed, cut, stitched, and assembled by hand. This gorgeous Mayan Aztec calendar-inspired case uses the finest quality full-grain leather with beautiful fine details in deep relief. Conceived in top-quality handcrafted, a single piece of full-grain leather, the Mayan bronze leather case is both incredibly sophisticated and superbly durable. Alright, so I know what you're saying. $130, the price is pretty steep, but keep in mind, this is a handmade case with 100% full-grain leather. Now, before I show you these cases, let me show you some of my other Mayan cases, just so you get an idea of the quality. Now, if you don't like designs and patterns, you can always go with a plain leather. This is full grain leather right here, just a little engraving, nice and simple. Now, check out some of my other ones. Y'all remember the dragon? Look at this. Now, I got the little locking mechanism. One piece of full grain leather. I got to do the smell test. Quality. This case still looks the same as the day I got it. And I rock this case a lot. All right, so here's the dragon. Let me show you another version of the dragon. Different color. Look at the detail in this. This is for my iPhone 8. Let's see, here's the wolf. Now you can get it with or without the locking mechanism. Check out the wolf. Look at this. This is beautiful. All right, now we got another wolf with the locking mechanism. This is for my iPhone 8 Plus. Check this one out. I'm just letting that hype build up before we take it to the to the Mayan Aztec calendar. Now we got the eagle. This is for my Galaxy Note 8. Check out the eagle. That one is banging. And my favorite one so far, the lion. Now if you want, you could get the locking mechanism and you could get the latch and hook. Look at the lion. Look at this one. This is also for my Galaxy Note 8. Beautiful. All right. Enough beating around the bush. Giggity. Let's take it to the Mayan bronze leather case. All right, we'll start with the Galaxy S9 first. Here's your presentation. Now, $130. Nice, simple presentation. Black box. Nice and classy. Just a little branding. Nothing too crazy. Here we go. Open this up. Here's your case. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's slide this out. Matter of fact, we can unpeel this for dramatic effect. Mayan Aztec calendar. Woo! Now, the video is not going to do this justice. You can feel the texture on this. Let's open up the full case. Bang! Look at that. Let that sink in for a minute. All right, let's see the inside. You got a little piece of foam. Now you got your 3 credit card slots. All right, file that. Look at this. You see that leather? This is real leather. I got to do the smell test. If you ever walk into a leather store, when you come from the street and you walk inside that leather store, all that leather just hits you right in your face. That's the same thing when you take this case out of the box. The leather smell is going to be overpowering. All right, this is so beautiful. Now let's look closely. This is inspired from the Mayan Aztec calendar. Beautiful. Inside, now you got your flexible shell. This is going to hold the phone. We'll slap this in real quick. The bottom does have protection. That's a good thing. All right, so you got full protection on your phone, top and bottom. Let me slap this in. All right, here we go. So the bottom is protected. The top is protected. Same thing with the sides. Got your 3 credit card slots, and you got a big slot on the inside for them $100 bills. Now, no locking mechanism on this one, but that's your choice. And like I said, you can also get the hook on the top if you want. It's going to be a little bit extra. Check this out. Now, without the locking mechanism, it's going to pop right open. But with any leather case, all you got to do is wet this a little bit. Now, don't drown it. Just wet it a little bit. Close it like this and put something on top of it. This way you start working in the case. Once the case gets worked in, it's going to fit the form of the phone. This is beautiful. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor does work. Let's check the buttons. There's your power button. All right, let me make sure I got this all the way on. All right, there it is. Now, this is a TPU style case in the middle, so you're going to have to work that on. All right, but it's in there. All right, there's your power button. Let's check wireless charge. All right, wireless charge on deck. You see the red light? This is official tissue. Now, like I said, if you're not feeling the design, they got 1,000 different designs to choose from. Go look for yourself. But if you're looking for a real leather case, all right, quality over quantity. Look at that stitching. Now, I know somebody's going to say, oh, you could get a Spigen leather case for $20. You could do that. But some people want that quality. Look at that stitching. Some people want that quality and that uniqueness. When you pull this out, you're going to be the only person with this. This is sick. All right, let's take a look at the S9 Plus version. Same presentation. Nice black box. Who doesn't like that? Here we go. Woo, look at this one. Now this one. Look at this one. This is the actual Mayan Aztec calendar. All right, so maybe this one is a different theme. This one has a Mayan look to it, but this is the actual Mayan Aztec calendar. I am feeling this one 100%. Got the locking mechanism. Look at this. I know I'm a hype beast, but I love leather. All right, I'm a leather lover. No shame in my game. Look at that stitching. Look at that. Let me do the smell test. Oh, yes. Yes. Right in time for the summer. On the inside, same thing. Now this one you actually got 4 credit card slots, and you get 2 slots for your money. So one for the $100 bills and one for the $50 bills. Or the phone numbers. All right, shout out to Tristan. Let's slap this one in. I know, Tristan getting the Jordan crying face right now, but it is what it is. All right, so you slap this one in. Let's check the power button. All right, so there's your power button. No problems. Full protection. Now the case doesn't lift up or swivel. Close it. Hit that locking mechanism. Nothing's dropping out. All your ports. All your cutouts. Let's check wireless charge. Look for that red light. There's a red light. It's wirelessly charging. On a scale of 1 to 10. Right? On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. If you like real leather, all right, quality. That's the theme of this video. Quality over quantity. Now look, if you're not interested in a $130 case, I got 100 other case videos I'm getting ready to get into. I got cases from $5 all the way to these, to some that's even more than these. So we got a bunch of different cases to choose from. But like I said, if you really want to be different, you want to stand out, you want to come through with something that nobody got, and you know that's 100% full grain leather, official tissue. And like I said, over the years, this case is not going to get beat up. It's not going to get damaged. It's real leather. But you got to treat it like leather. All right, so you're not going to want to use this in the rain. This is not the beach case. You want to have this for when you're going out and you're getting fresh. That's why I tend to not rock these as much, because when I do rock them, I want them to look like this. So I'm heading to London this week. I'm definitely going to be rocking this case. When you see me at London Bridge taking them pictures, this is going to be in my hand. Anyway, this is the Motomo Mayan-inspired bronze leather case. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.